today I'm going to be making a really quick and easy rasmalai. So this is a homemade rasmalai, and for this we're going to need some sugar to taste, some cardamoms, about 4. I'm going to be using some milk, and I am using royal rasgulla. So let's begin. So first of all I'm going to add a litre of milk. So that's about a litre, and I'm going to add my 4 cardamoms. So we're going to allow this to boil. So as you can see, this is now nearly boiling. So once this comes to the boil, we're going to lower the heat. Okay, so I've now lowered the heat. I'm going to add my sugar, so I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. You can add more to taste. Okay, now we're going to just cook this on a low heat, so we just leave that for a bit. So I have my rasgullas here. As you know, rasgullas come with some syrup, so we're not going to add the syrup. We're just going to squeeze, not all of them, but not all of the syrup. Okay, now as you can see, these are now ready to go in the milk. So we're going to now pop these in very gently, one by one. So we're going to allow these to cook on a very low heat for a few minutes. Okay, so these look done now. I'm going to turn off the heat and allow this to cool down completely, and then I'm going to put them in a dish to refrigerate. Okay, so this is now going to chill in the fridge till it's completely icy cold, and I'm going to now cover it with some cling film. So this now goes in the fridge. Finished chilled rasmalai. I'm going to just garnish with some nuts. Don't forget to give this recipe a try, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks guys for watching.